friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm KAVIARKEZ. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful wig that I have installed. If you guys want to find out all the details about this and find out how I was able to get no baby hairs, continue watching. Today's hair sponsor is Jessie's Wig. They used to be called Jessie's Selection. I have reviewed a few of their wigs before in the past. What I have installed today is a 24-inch, 180% density, glueless frontal wig. This is in a 13x4 crystal clear lace. Kind of a mouthful. It is a full 13x4. Look at it. I also did not pluck this hairline. This is how it came. This is fresh out of the box. That's some pretty serious plucking. This side is not plucked, but this side is plucked. We're not gonna judge. Oh, those are baby hairs. Oh, I see. Those are baby hairs. See them? They're shorter. I'm going to remove this. We'll try to leave some, and then if we need to go in and remove some more, then we will. This is pretty good lace though. I'm gonna go in with some light hairspray just to get the hairs out of my way. So I think I'm gonna go in with this Ebin holding gel in the black. When you have a clear lace and you're not wearing a bald cap, you want to make sure that your entire surface is clean. So if not, you're gonna see that through the lace. So I think 2 coats should be good enough to move on. I was almost afraid, but she's looking good. I think I'm going for a no baby hair look today, and it's not like lifting up anywhere. Woo! Using a mixture of Ebin and Spritz. Why not? I'm just gonna do sideburns. I'm really trying to make sure that the hairline is clean and not shiny. And I'm gonna go in with my shade of foundation that I'm wearing, just to touch it up around the hairline, which I was just messing around with. While we're at it. Ebin spray. You anymore, spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to
take you off the pedestal.
What I'm using is a dye pen, by the way, if you're wondering. And I like to seal it.
I don't know what I was thinking, that it'd be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion.
This is some very nice hair. Look how thick it is.
Lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us for the stable friend.
When you get this wig, it comes ready to wear. It comes with bleached knots, it comes with a plucked hairline. Those hairs that were lingering around here, I had to get those out of here. But the wig is beautiful. The HD lace is definitely crystal clear. As you guys can see, I was able to achieve like the no baby hairs look because the lace is so good. This wig feels different than some of the other wigs that I've received. The texture is obviously straight, but it's giving 4C hair with a silk press. Like there's a lot more density to it, like there's a lot more texture. It's not super silky, it's still very smooth, but it's giving like this is your natural hair and you relaxed it or you pressed it out. That's what it's giving me. It's giving me thicker than like your typical hair strands. It gives you that blowout natural look. I do think that this particular unit is dyed jet black, which is nice and refreshing because I actually love black hair. Like black is my favorite color obviously to wear. The wigs usually come natural, so they really did all the hard work for you. Density is where it's at, you guys. Look how full it is. Like it's just really full. It's not a thin wig at all. Like there's just lots of hair throughout this wig. I really like that about this unit. It's very rare for a straight wig to have this much hair. Now, I do find that I'm having to brush this hair a lot more often. Also, because it does come pre-bleached, I would say there were some spots that were kind of heavier bleached than others, like mostly around here. At least you don't have to bleach the knots. I think I prefer my wigs to come bleached so I don't have to because it saves me a lot of time. I'm not mad at it. This is what it looks like, you guys. Let me know what your thoughts are below in the comment section. Leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video or if you found it helpful. I gotta run. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.